Hey, here's a quick look at the CUKOR 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven bread pot that I received for review. Here's what's in the box. This is a heavy built cast iron utensil with a quality enamel coating. The base has two nice sized handles to make it easy to take out of the oven. The only assembly is to put the stainless steel knob on the lid. This is easily done with a single screw that threads into the knob on top. Once complete, the top can easily be placed on the bottom section with one hand. I preheated the entire Dutch oven while the dough was rising and then placed the dough directly into the bottom of the unit. Then just place the lid back on the bottom of the unit and back into the oven. The unit can be used to cook one-pot meals in the oven or on the stovetop as well. Once it was all done, this is how it turned out. The non-stick surface didn't need anything to keep the bread from sliding right out of the bottom onto the cutting board. This is by far my favorite way to make bread now, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it as well.